Omugenzi Pamela Tumwebaze akitwa Rwakashatu makagayo muri mukono abantu abatakamanyirwe. Ogunwe yabera Director of Students Affairs ahari Uganda Christian University omuri mukono. Erizoba abantu nyamwingi ku rugombi cweka bitari bimwe na bimwe bahika kanisa ya Kucondooza Church of Uganda omurembo Mbarara okushabira omubiri gw'omugenzi. Omukushaboku Deputy Vice Chancellor habwenshonga z'obwegyesa hari Uganda Christian University Reverend Associate Professor Kitayembwa John yayereka ko mugenzi abenafa yabeje bo muringo gwona hari Uganda Christian University kandi abera ryitafarira hango mu itendekero hamwe n'abarwana babo.
But our great interest was in literature, and I am very happy that our son Elijah is taking on that gifting of literature. All of you know that Elijah has just written a book and has commissioned it. But about 2-3 weeks ago, let's listen to this very carefully. About 2-3 weeks ago, Pamela was in my office, and Pamela was talking about the second book that Elijah is writing. And she was very, very proud of the content in that book.
Abanyabuzare b'omugenzi bayireko busasi ahabwenjeri y'omugenzi afiremu abo bagira ngo abiri ari omuntu abire nakunda abantu niko kushaba abibyo kwerinda kuteeka amaani omu kucondooza.
Ati western yatakunda birungi. Ati western ebi UCU bana bagamba the DVCAA and the DVC FNA bana bagamba ebya Pamela stane nibyo mutuzire. Nibyo mutuzire okukoraje okuba brilliant okuzara abana kutuzarira abana nkaba omwana amyaka nkeji emyaka 10.
You've given us too much grace, you've given us too much love, you've shown us what work life is and how work can interact with social spaces. Thank you very much for being family. Thank you very much for being Pamela's community.
Gone. We cannot change that, but we can change how we honor her.
Abana b'omugenzi bamugambaho nk'omuntu habira aine rukundo kandi arikunda abantu bona.
My mom was a very kind woman. She liked to be happy and loved us so much.
We are going to miss her, and she loves us. I know, both of us know, that she loves us so much. Thank you for coming. May the Lord bless you. Mwebale munonga.
Omuzire we yayireka ko omugenzi Pamela Tumwebaze abere nagabana kacha kaine kandi abere nakunda obusinge nuko kushaba mukama aboreka omuzigu amuhiro magara gensi.
Pamela, who was she? Abantu bamugamba ahabwira ubuyabiri yakuzire yagira mu mashomero, especially in the university where she has stayed for so long. Mwana kurugo mbuto Pamela kazarwaje yakora n'amagara marungi yakora by'umwana murungi arukutwazaje.
Aliko gambo mukushaboku Honorable Robert Rukari Mwesigwa uri mu ishengero wa Mbarara City North Division yaraganisa ko government eri kwija kuteka mu amaani kureba ngo bacondooza omuntu ninga abantu abisire omugenzi Pamela Tumwebaze.
John Kajezi took over 10 years, but eventually the truth came out. And what Muhozi was asking are basically two questions because Pamela is gone. But the why and the who for continuity of us as human beings. The why and the who, because this kind of death is a kick.
We Reverend Canon Edson Abasa mukuburira kwe yashaba abantu okugumya amasiko gabo muri mukama kandi bakore birungi nkoko mugenzi abere nakora.
Yes, it is good. Ruhangano w'ubuhungiro bwitu, he's our refuge. He's an ever-present help. He's always there. He's our strength. nuwari kubasa kutuzirika agomane
umubiri gw'omugenzi Pamela Tumwebaze niguza kuziikwa nyenkyakare omuri Rubaya omuri Kashari Mbarara district.